far, we have received 13 COCs. No? The number one COC came from Mr. Luis Chua Uy of Action Democratico, followed by Kahayan Uy, Mary Mitzi Lim of Lakas CMD. Then number 3 is Enaje Jose Jaime Ruazol, Independent, that's in Marikina City. Then Lopez Carlo Vincent Villonco, Nacionalista Party in 2nd District, Manila. Chanco Tobis, Reynald Marcelo of Partido Navoteño in the Lone District of Navota City. Nieto Ioana Morin Cruz, Acción Democrático of 3rd District of Manila. Then Yuamsuan Brian Raymond Sandoval, an independent candidate in Parañaque City. Then De La Cruz Bernard Coraza, PDP Laban, I think this is Malabon. Galang Gerard Globo Alexis de la Vega, independent candidate of Valenzuela City. Vargas Patrick Michael Dumlao, or electionist candidate, Lakas CMD of 5th District of Quezon City. Then Atayde Juan Carlos Campo, re-electionist candidate in 1st District Quezon City, running under Nacionalista Party. Then Serafica Alan Menjola, Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, in the Taguig Pateros district in NCR. And finally, Lumbad Joseph Elvin Barrera of Frontliners Ambida of this is 1st District of Manila. So, for day 1 of the filing of certificate of candidacy for congressman in the NCR, we have a total of 13 aspirants or candidates who have filed their certificate of candidacies. So it's 5 o'clock now, so we have closed the reception of the COCs for day 1. So we'll see you again tomorrow at 8 o'clock up to 5 o'clock in the afternoon for the day 2 of the filing or continuation of the filing of the COC for congressional district in the National Capital.